This is where the journey of 11,500 poultry beds layers has taken us so far. Okay, so this is the entrance. This is the water stand. We have 3 lines and we have 3 tanks supplying water to each and every stand. The plumber is doing the final water connection for each and every stand. Look, the water, each of these small tanks will serve each line on this side, and this orange devices are going to serve as water filters, just to make sure that the water that goes to the beds, they are clean water. Yeah, as can be seen, this is the first line, this is the middle line. Plumber is doing the finishing touches, and this is the last line. As you can see, the water has been connected properly. Yeah, this is the way they will come. Yeah, and this is the water tank.